Hello, so today I'm going to basically be doing a homemade squishy collection, but I'm actually going to tell this why I don't like homemade squishies, because these are really bad. But I'll start off with kind of the worst one. It's just like basically nigiri, and look, it's not slow rising. And yes, I do know squishies are supposed to be slow rising, like this isn't slow rising. It's not that good looking. The next one is this onigiri. It's slightly better. If you look at it, it's just kind of slow rising, and the sides are really cracked. And I did this tutorial by from Cookie Swirl C, but I didn't follow the directions. I just used puffy paint and a sponge. The next one is this. It's not that slow rising either. It's supposed to be a cookie. And there's these like seals I drew on. They're basically just sponges. And there's this super hard one that I can't even squish. Like I can't even squish it. It's cute. Well, the best ones are this and this, but they're not really that good. And the reason I can't do the Marvel, and these are also the reason I'm not doing a tutorial. No tutorials on these. I'll do a paper squishy. I'm very good at paper squishies. Like, this is a good paper squishy. I'll do a tutorial on those, but not right now. And the reason I can't do this very well is because I don't have much time to paint them very well. I'm running out of paint. And I always try to rush by using paintbrushes, which never works out. And I'm not very good of a cutter with sponges. If it was clay, I'd have no problem. And it's like, you saw this one. I barely shaped this one. And look, there's glitter on the back, and watch. Glitter on my hands. When I squish this, and it's not slow rising, well, kind of, but it's more slow rising than these, like, more, but not really. And I can't paint the bottoms very well. My paint is kind of hard. I'm just not very good at shaping them, and that is why I can't do a tutorial.